Hello, and I'm back with another make. This is the Grainline Studio Scout tee, and I did a little hack on this. As you can see, I added the peplum on the bottom and the pocket on the front. And I also made the sleeves a little bit longer. This top is so comfortable. This is a knit, obviously, and I was inspired to do this hack by my friend Jackie from Jack Stitch Handmade, and I will link to her make if I can find it. As you can see, as I said, I lengthened the sleeves to an elbow length. I'm really into that length of sleeve on a t-shirt. I either like them like that or kind of cuffed short. And here's a closer up look. I did a contrast stripe for the pocket, and for the peplum hack, while it was in paper, I shortened the pattern to where I wanted the peplum to start, and then the width of the bottom piece is just the width that I cut off of the pattern. And it's not as full of a peplum as I would have liked. I only had 1 yard of this fabric. This fabric is from Style Maker Fabrics, so that is as much as I could gather it, but I think it looks pretty cute, and I love how swingy it is. This fabric is super soft. The stripes are super chic. I feel like my neckline looks pretty good. I used a twin needle to stitch that down, and overall really happy with this make. See my little neckline there. And that is my peplum scout tee hack. Happy sewing, everyone!